This particular video will be able to help a lot of people that their account on Atok have been locked, either your account or your Ethereum account, because I'll be sharing with you what you'll be able to do to unlock your account. And I just tell you, just try and transfer, because if you have watched my previous video that I created before now, you could see I never knew I was unable to transfer. When I was doing the tutorial video trying to transfer that, I was told I was unable to transfer, and I was brought to this and I've actually laid complaint, and that's the major reason why I'm creating it, because you can go to your Atok token and try to transfer to see if your account was locked. So you could see my plain query I dropped on their Telegram, and there was a sweet response a lot to that. And in fact, I have not actually violated any of their rules at all. I don't have multiple accounts, if not for the fact that I was creating the video content for my community. If not, I wouldn't have known that my account was even locked. So this was the form I was told to fill. So this is it. I will be filling it with every one of us so that you could know. And now they're asking for name. So you all know that I'm Emmanuel Crypto. So the email address I use, phone number. Let me put my phone number there. So you just have to follow this step by step to unlock your. You see, active wallet address. Yes, I've copied it earlier on. Daisy. Now it's a blockchain wallet address. Okay, this is the one I have to type here. So let me go and copy my active wallet address. Let me show you where to see your active wallet. So when you tap on receive, this is your active wallet address, and this is the Web3 address. You need to know these two things. So let me copy it. So I've copied the active address. Let me go and paste it. Let me go and paste the active address I copied. So now I was asked that your active account or Web3 account is locked. I know it is because this was the address I copied, which is the Web3 account. So I guess it is the Web3 wallet that was locked, not my active account. So I filled this. So I'll tap on submit. Submitted the form. So I'll be waiting for their reply, and as you say blacklisted account, your response has been received. So I really do not know why my account was actually locked, and I think I did everyone that their account has been locked out of mistake or anything. I think we demand justice from the active community on their Isaac account to actually apologize to everyone, because I haven't done anything, and it was even to a surprise to me that my account was locked. So please, if the video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification, and actually comment your thought about this particular thing that actually happened. And mind you, try as much as possible to check yours if your account too is not one of those accounts that has been locked. Thank you. Bye bye for now.